Walter, the wildlife explorer. Let's go on adventures. Yeah!
Hello, everybody. Fancy seeing you out here. I'm Walter, the wildlife explorer. I love just taking a gander along the fence row out yonder sometimes. There's just so much life to be seen everywhere. I mean, if you just look around, especially if you take a little magnifying glass, there's no telling what you can see. Like, come this way. Just follow me. Let's just take a guess. I bet we could find something really neat. Oh, I found a caterpillar. It's just like this and like move. I mean, take a look. Isn't that just beautiful? I mean, those are just the coolest things, the way you like crawling around there. Let's see what else we can see. It's a ladybug. Oh, it's red and it's got black spots on its wings. Oh, you gotta see this. Look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Oh, isn't that just the coolest thing you ever saw? Isn't nature just so beautiful? And to think they're so small, you know? It's like sometimes you get really close up on them and you're like never really know what you're gonna see up so close. What's that noise? Did you hear that? Oh, get down, quick, get down. I think there's a deer out here. Let me look. Oh, yes, there's a deer out. It's right out here in the field. And it's out here grazing at the sun. Isn't that so cool? He's just out there, you know, walking around and eating and kind of minding his own business. Okay, I'm gonna do. You see him? Look, did he see us? Oh, is everything okay? Okay, good. What was that noise? Oh, is there a deer fight? Oh, are they fighting? Oh, there it was again. Oh, let me take a look. Oh my goodness. There's two deer and they're sparring. It's when they take their antlers and they walk up like this and they try to be more manly than the other one. Just don't take my word for it. Look. That's just amazing. It's getting crazy out here. I'm starting to get a little worried, so we're gonna go ahead and leave. There's just too much going on. The insects are coming out to play. The deer are fighting. Oh. Okay, we gotta go. I'll see you next time.
So it's just like this and like we're, I mean, just take a look. Isn't that just beautiful? I mean, those are just the coolest things, the way you like crawl around there. Let's see what else we can see.